That ringing in your ears? Or the way conversations feel harder to catch? As an audiologist for over 15 years, the truth is, once it starts, it only gets worse. I often advise my patients to support hearing naturally with foods like broccoli rich in folate that protects auditory nerves. Almonds, packed with magnesium to safeguard ear function. Oranges, loaded with vitamin C to fight ear cell damage. But most people never get enough of these nutrients daily. That's why I recommend Quietum Plus, designed by America's top doctors to protect hearing, calm tinnitus, and keep your ears sharp for years. Don't wait, click below and protect your hearing with Quietum Plus today.